Hi, today I'm painting a portrait of a gorgeous Cavalier King Charles called Rufus. This is a commission for a Christmas present. I've drawn the face onto the canvas and painted the background in matte emulsion. This is cerulean blue. I like a solid colour background as the detailed oil portrait really pops. I'm working from a photo on my iPad, which is helpful as I can zoom in and out. My goal is to get a base layer of colour down. Wow, the difference once I start to use more layers of colour. I'm using a small brush as well to get some fluffiness. The undercoat is still really wet, so basically when I use subsequent layers I can blend the colours together, push them around and really get effect of fur. So I'm getting the curly outline to those gorgeous soft ears, and look how rich the black is looking. In particular, I think the black oil paint looks really rich and glossy for his lovely, lovely fur. So Rufus is really coming to life here, and as soon as you start to get the eyes in, the windows into the soul, then you can really see the character of the dog. So sorry about the bad video quality here, but I just had to show you this clip. My dog Luna wanted to get involved, and Rufus is actually one of her best friends. So she did a double take when she saw the painting. Yeah, she's been really helpful here, rubbing her head against the side of the painting. So we're getting to the stage that I really love, so all those finishing details, like the fluff under the nose and whiskers, those individual characteristics. Now, to get a good whisker, you need to use a long brush called a rigger, and you need to have the precise amount of paint on the brush and just go for it with a big long swoop. So you just take a deep breath and go for it. So finishing touches, I'm creating this kind of soft white haze around his head. This is after many, many layers of paint. And all these finishing details really complete the portrait. Spent a lot of time obsessing over the nose, because that is very important to get right. Nice and glossy. and you can see his eyes look really soulful there. The thing that we love about Rufus is that he is quite haughty and regal. In fact, we call him Prince Rufus, which he lives up to the name. Lots of coats of white to get that real snowiness of his jowls. Still bringing more tiny hairs down. And you can see from the photograph there on the iPad that he is looking very true to life. So the owner sent me a picture of this very complicated tweed bow tie for Rufus to wear. So I had to employ a bit of artistic license here, but I think in the end it turned out okay. So the surprise recipient of this portrait, who received it on Christmas Day, was absolutely over the moon, and a very lifelike portrait. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.